Limoncello. This is a delightful Italian aperitif. This is basically infused vodka, but infused with what? Well, limons, lemon, and cello means, I guess it's a cello, a instrument. I don't know this stuff. You're just watching me. Here's the thing. It is delightful. It is infused vodka with lots of lemon and sugar, and we're going to do it sous vide. Why sous vide? Why not do it the normal way? The normal way, the classic way, 4 days, minimum, up to a month at normal temperatures. We're going to do it in 4 hours, in 4 horas, because we're doing it sous vide. And the beauty of doing it sous vide is we can control the temperature so low that even though we're still technically cooking, we're not hurting any of the flavors. They're all staying big and robust and flavorful. So, first thing we need to do is peel these lemons. Get the stuff off it, get the skin off it. And I'm just going to take a paring knife and I'm going to hold the lemon comme ça. I'm going to gently cut the skin off. You don't want to cut into the pith. The pith is that white stuff. You're going to see that in a second. So let's just take this strip and see how I did. Not very well. This is good. But we could be better. So what I'm going to do is put it down, and now with my knife, I'm going to cut and just remove some of that pith. You want to try and get all of it, but you don't want to go too crazy where you don't have any skin left. I'm going to go like that, and look, do you see what I got there? You see what I did? Oh, I'm so good. So why remove the pith? Why remove this white spongy part? Because it can be bitter, especially while you're cooking it sous vide. So we want to get as much of that off as possible without destroying. See? Isn't that lovely? Oh man, smell that. Smell that. Smell that. It's delightful. It's lemony. So, how long did that take? Half an hour to do one? I gotta do all these. So stick with me. And done! It took a little longer than anticipated. I'm gonna need a shave. But they're beautiful, and the flavors, the smells from this lemon zest is absolutely crazy good. So now, let's bag this bad boy up in a rather large VacMaster bag, in a VacMaster bag holder. All of those wonderful lemon zests in the bag. In addition, azúcar, a little bit of sugar. And again, this is the fine sugar, just means it's ground finer, so it's going to go ahead and dissolve or melt, as the French would say, quicker, faster, better, bigger, stronger. And then water, about 4 cups of H2O ski. Just like that. Oh, you can even see it turning color right now. This would probably right now make some rockin' lemonade. But to this, we're going to add vodka. Vodka, 4 cups. Equal amounts of water and vodka. Now, one of these bottles doesn't hold 4 cups. It's going to take a whole bottle plus a little extra. I'm getting pretty excited because this is smelling delicious. So that's that. And the final cup. And there you go. This is my limoncello. Now all we need to do is bag it up, drop it in the circulator, and see ya in about 4 hours. I got it right here. Now, after the vodka, the water, the lemon zest, and the sugar, I like to agitate the bottom of it, get it all nice and mixed up, and then 57 degrees C, centigrade, drop it in, 4 hours. In 4 hours, we're going to pull this out, and it's going to be delicious. But we're not going to drink it. We're going to chill it down and refrigerate it. We want it ice cold before we take our first sip. Limoncello, who would have thought it? Limoncello, it's done. Ah, it's so good. After 4 hours in the SV1, I simply pulled out the bag and dropped it in an ice bath. An ice bath, 50% water, 50% ice, left it for about a half an hour. chilled all the way through, then I threw it in the refrigerator. When I was ready, I simply strained out the lemon zest into my carafe. So now I have a beautiful limoncello that's ready. Then I took a couple of those little zests and popped them in the glass. Iced carafe, iced glasses. This is a delightful aperitif. It's a delightful finishing to a meal. It's a delightful drink anytime you want it. Homemade limoncello, whether you're serving it at home, whether you're serving it in your restaurant, whether you're serving it at your bar as part of your whole cocktail menu. Limoncello sous vide is the way to go. Salud! There's just enough lemon, just enough citrus that balances out the sweet. It's not overly sweet and it's not overly citrusy, but oh, the vodka is there, you can taste it. Lifted spirits vodka, fresh lemons, powdered sugar, you're done. Limoncello. I love this.
How was it? Did you love it? Wasn't it amazing? Thank you so mucho for watching. Thank you so much. You are what make it possible. Do you want more? Hit like, hit subscribe on your tablet, on your computer, on your phone. I don't care. I want to see you next time right here at the Fresh Bites channel with me, Eric Legas. We are cooking. It's all about sous vide. See you next time.